Greetings to everyone. Today we have to learn the main points of kinetic molecular theory. So, the first point of this theory is all gases are made up of a very large number of minute particles. These particles may be atoms or molecules. And the evidence for this postulate is according to this the molecular nature of the matter, that is every material is made up of the small particles. That particles are known as the material particles. So this postulate is according to molecular nature of the matter. Next postulate is the molecules are separated from one another by large distance. The empty space among the molecules are so large that the actual volume is negligible as compared to the total volume of the gas. This postulate is justified as it is well known fact that the gases are highly compressible in nature and they have the tendency to expand. Hence, this is justifies. As when pressure is applied, the intermolecular distance decreases and as a result, the volume of the gas decreases. Further, the volume occupied by the molecule is so small that it can be neglected as compared to the total volume of the gas. Third postulate of this theory is the molecules are in the state of random motion in all direction. During this motion, they collide each other and also with the walls of the container, and thus they change their direction. During this, they collide each other and they supply their energy to each other. As they supply their energy to the other molecules, this indicates that the molecular collisions are perfectly elastic. That is, there is no loss of energy occurs when the molecules collide with one another or with the walls of the container. This point or this is justifies the molecules are constantly moving in all direction. During the course of their motion, they collide with each other as well as the walls of the container. Hence, the speed as well as the direction of the motion of the molecules undergoes in changing. The fifth point of this theory is there are no forces of interaction between the molecules at the ordinary temperature and pressure. They move completely independent to one another, and this observation is justifies as the gases expand when the pressure on the gas is released. The expansion of the gas means the movement of the molecules away from one another and increases the space between them. This is possible if the attractive forces between them are negligible. The pressure exerted by the gas is due to the collision of its molecule on the walls of the container per unit area. As when the gases are enclosed in a vessel, the molecules being are in rapid motion constantly and they strike on the walls. As a result, the walls experience some force and we know that the force per unit area is the pressure. The average kinetic energy of the gas molecules is directly proportional to the absolute temperature, as due to molecular collision, the different molecules have different speeds. As a result, the molecules have different kinetic energies. Under these conditions, it is assumed that the average kinetic energy is directly proportional to the absolute temperature of the gases.